Hi everybody, this is Andy. Bow ties are cool. Thank you for joining me this morning with our centripetal force demonstrations. I wanted to show you the mug experiment from a closer, slow motion perspective. So let's see what that looks like. Alright, that's it. That's what I wanted to show you. And don't forget, come back tomorrow because we will be talking about... Okay. That was pretty cool. Join us tomorrow because we have another great science demonstration for you. It's a DIY art spinner challenge, and it's all about a galaxy far, far away. Stay curious and be sure to come back every day at 10:30 and 3 for Curiosity Corner Live. See you next time.